Hey guys, and welcome back. Now we are going to learn something which is of utmost importance in the world of programming. So we are going to talk about data structures in Python. So before we get started, I want to make sure you understand why there is need for data structures, right? So generally, so far we have seen all the primitive types, right? Like integers, boolean, etc., where we would generally take one variable, save data in it, and and do different operations, right? But in real world, when you are building enterprise applications, right, the data is massive. So is different conditions. So that's the reason data structure was implemented, which helps building these functionalities of enterprise application. So in Python we have primarily like four types of data structures that helps. So first is list, then you have tuple, then you have sets, and then you have dictionaries, right? So we will see all of this in these particular upcoming videos. So for now, let's get started with list as a data type, data structure, right? So list is a type of one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. So before I say what list is, what it does, etc., right? Let's take a simple example, right? So let's say my team. So I'm taking something like my team, right? And equals to I write some names of some player, right? Let's say I write Kenny, then I write David, then I write Jason, then I write Michael, right? So let's say these are my team. Now I'm going to just print it, right? Let's see, right, what happens. So I get all this printed here. So what we are doing right now here is, right, the list data structure is used to store multiple items, like, and we are storing it in a single variable. So this is one of the built-in data types Python is using to store collections of data, like the other data types we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. And the most important thing you should understand is, right, lists are always created using the square bracket, right? So if you see, all data under this particular square bracket is actually a list. And there are like different what can I say, different data types that we can use in list. So let's say I say my team1 equals to ABC, comma 34, comma 2, comma howdy. So this is a valid string, right? Valid list data structure, right? This is valid. Similarly, like what I'm trying to say here is different data structure, data types can be part of this particular list. Now the most important thing you should understand about list data type is the definition that is very important is list items are okay, maybe I can write it. List items are ordered, changeable, and they allow duplicates, right? And obviously as strings are indexed, this also indexed, right? First item always starts with index 0. So when I say it is ordered, what I'm trying to say here is, like, it means that they have a defined order. This order will not change of, how this particular string will be printed when you print it. And when you add a new item, it will be added at the end of the list. Now, there are different methods that will change the order, but in general, what we are trying to understand, right? Strings, as you know, remember, strings are immutable, right? Similarly, the order of these items will not change. That's what our focus is. And the second functionality we are talking about is changeable. List is changeable, meaning we can add, remove, items in the list after it has been created. So we are going to see that how we can do that. And allow duplicates, meaning since lists are indexed, right, 0 1 2 3, so list can have items with the same value as well. So you can uh, have something like howdy again here. Only thing changes, it's 0 1 2 3 4. Index value 3 is same, index value 4 is same, having the same values here. The another way, I think we have seen this earlier in our string chapters, I think, but still let's give a try here, is in Python, right? There is a way you can also identify, right, like what is this particular data structure, or what is the type of this particular data structure. So you can use that type function, right, which is an again inbuilt functionality in Python. So what it will do is it will tell you what is this particular data structure. So when I run this, it will show that this is a class of list. This is defined by Python, right? So this is all about list. So important thing to remember, syntax, anything inside the square bracket, string declaration remains same in double quotation, single, etc. Then list items are ordered, changeable, it allows duplicates, right? And in the next one we will see how we can apply different operations on list. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.